Have you ever wondered how some people make money while they sleep? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a passive income stream by selling digital templates that people actually want to buy. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or complicated business model that requires years to master. It's a straightforward method that anyone can start with basic computer skills and potentially earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. The beauty of selling templates is that you create something once and sell it multiple times. Unlike traditional jobs where you trade time for money, templates let you leverage your effort across hundreds or thousands of customers. Think about it this way. You spend a weekend creating a resume template, and that same template could generate income for months or years to come. But here's what most people get wrong when they try this. They create templates that look pretty to them but don't solve real problems for real people. They focus on what they think is cool instead of what customers desperately need. That's why 90% of template sellers fail to make consistent money. They're creating art instead of solutions. Let me tell you about Sarah, a graphic designer who was struggling to pay her bills working freelance projects. She decided to try selling templates as a side hustle. Her first month she made $12. Pretty disappointing, right? But instead of giving up, she studied what successful template sellers were doing differently. She analyzed the top-selling templates in her niche and noticed patterns in what people were actually buying. Within 6 months, Sarah was making over $2,000 per month selling templates. By the end of her first year, she had replaced her freelance income entirely. The key wasn't that she was more talented than other designers. She simply understood what customers needed and delivered exactly that. So what types of templates actually sell? The most profitable categories are business templates like invoices, proposals, and presentation slides. These solve immediate problems for entrepreneurs and small business owners who need professional-looking documents but don't have design skills. Social media templates are another goldmine, especially Instagram stories, Facebook posts, and LinkedIn graphics that help businesses maintain consistent branding. Resume and cover letter templates consistently perform well because job seekers are always looking for ways to stand out. Wedding planning templates, budget spreadsheets, and meal planning documents tap into life events where people need organization, but lack the time to create systems from scratch. The common thread is that these templates save people significant time and effort while helping them look more professional. Now let's talk about where to sell your templates. Etsy is probably the most beginner-friendly platform because it has built-in traffic and people go there specifically to buy digital products. The downside is competition can be fierce and Etsy takes a percentage of every sale. Creative Market caters to professional designers and typically has higher price points, but getting accepted requires a strong portfolio. Gumroad and Stan Store give you more control over pricing and customer relationships. You can build an email list and create direct relationships with buyers. However, you'll need to drive your own traffic through social media, content marketing, or paid advertising. Many successful template sellers use multiple platforms to maximize their reach and reduce dependency on any single source of income. The key to choosing platforms is understanding where your target customers already spend time. Business professionals might find you through LinkedIn or professional blogs. Creative entrepreneurs often browse Instagram and Pinterest. Parents looking for organization templates frequently use Facebook groups and parenting websites. Creating your first template doesn't require expensive software or years of design experience. Canva Pro offers thousands of customizable elements and makes it easy to create professional-looking designs. For more advanced work, Adobe Creative Suite provides industry-standard tools, but the learning curve is steeper. Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel are perfect for creating functional templates like budgets, planners, and tracking spreadsheets. The secret to creating templates that sell is starting with customer problems instead of your creative vision. Spend time in Facebook groups, Reddit forums, and industry-specific communities where your target customers hang out. Look for repeated questions and complaints. What are people struggling with? What tasks do they find tedious or time-consuming? What professional services are they paying for that could be solved with a good template? For example, if you notice small business owners in Facebook groups constantly asking about invoice formats, that's a clear signal there's demand for professional invoice templates. If wedding planning groups are full of brides stressed about organizing vendor information, that suggests opportunity for wedding planning templates. Once you identify a problem, research existing solutions to understand what's already available and where gaps exist. Look at best-selling templates in your chosen niche. What features do they include? What do customers love about them in the reviews? What complaints keep coming up? This research phase is crucial because it helps you create something better than what already exists instead of just copying what you see. When designing your template, focus on functionality over aesthetics. Yes, it needs to look professional, but more importantly, it needs to work well and save the customer significant time. Include clear instructions, multiple format options when possible, and consider different use cases. A social media template pack might include variations for different industries or color schemes to match various brand guidelines. Pricing your templates correctly can make or break your success. Most beginners price too low, thinking it will lead to more sales, but this often backfires because low prices can signal low quality. Research what similar templates sell for and position yourself competitively based on the value you provide. Simple templates might sell for $5 to $15, while comprehensive template bundles can command $50 to $100 or more. Consider offering different price points to capture various customer segments. You might sell individual templates for $10, template packs for $30, and premium bundles with extras like tutorials or customization services for $75. This allows customers to choose the option that fits their budget while maximizing your revenue per customer. Marketing your templates effectively is where many creators struggle most. The best marketing feels helpful rather than pushy. Create valuable content that showcases your templates in action. Tutorial videos demonstrating how to customize your templates serve dual purposes of providing value and showing potential customers exactly what they're getting. Social media marketing works particularly well for visual templates. Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for showing before and after transformations using your templates. TikTok and YouTube Shorts can showcase quick customization tips that demonstrate your template's versatility. LinkedIn works well for business-focused templates where you can share professional insights along with examples of your work. Building an email list should be a priority from day one. Offer a free template in exchange for email addresses, then nurture that list with helpful tips, new template announcements, and special offers. Email marketing typically has much higher conversion rates than social media, because people who join your list have already shown interest in your work. Customer service might seem less important for digital products, but positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals drive significant sales. Respond quickly to questions, provide clear download instructions, and go above and beyond when customers have issues. Happy customers often become repeat buyers and recommend your templates to others. Scaling your template business involves systematizing the creation process and diversifying your offerings. Develop templates that work together as systems rather than standalone products. For example, a complete business branding package might include logo templates, business cards, letterhead, social media graphics, and presentation slides that all coordinate visually. Consider creating templates in trending niches or around seasonal events. Tax season creates demand for expense tracking templates. Back-to-school season drives sales of planning and organization templates. Holiday seasons open opportunities for party planning and gift tracking templates. Staying aware of trends and seasonal demands helps you create timely products that customers actively seek. The passive income aspect becomes more apparent as you build a larger catalog of templates. Your older templates continue generating sales while you focus on creating new ones. Successful template sellers often have 50 to 100 different templates in their catalog, creating multiple streams of income that compound over time. One common mistake is trying to serve everyone instead of focusing on a specific niche. It's much better to become known as the go-to person for restaurant templates or wedding planning templates than to be mediocre at everything. Specialization allows you to understand your customers deeply, create better products, and charge premium prices because you're seen as an expert. Another pitfall is neglecting the business side while focusing only on creation. Track your sales data to understand which templates perform best and why. Monitor customer feedback to identify improvement opportunities. Set aside time for marketing and customer service instead of just creating new templates constantly. Remember that building a sustainable passive income takes time and consistency. Your first few templates might not sell much while you learn what customers want and how to market effectively. This is completely normal and part of the learning process. Focus on improving with each template rather than expecting overnight success. The template business model works because it solves a fundamental problem in our busy world. People need professional-looking documents and designs but lack either the time or skills to create them from scratch. By providing high-quality solutions to common problems, you create genuine value that customers willingly pay for repeatedly. Start by choosing one specific niche and creating your first template this week. Research what your target customers need, create something that solves a real problem, and get it listed for sale. The learning process begins when you start selling, not when you finish reading about selling. I've added a few optional template tools in the description if you want to explore them. The most important step is taking action and creating your first template. Every successful template seller started exactly where you are right now, with an idea and the willingness to begin. Your passive income journey starts with that first template going live for sale.